Welcome to this guided tour of the ContactCenterWorld.com live event app. We've developed a tool that will allow you to get the very most out of your conference experience. The very first thing we would ask you to do is to go to the main website, ContactCenterWorld.com. From the homepage, you will want to scroll down and look for the live event graphic located on the right-hand side of the page. Once you find it, click on it and it will bring you directly to the live event app. You can also access the app by going to ContactCenterWorld.com/event. Once you are at the event page, you will be asked to enter your ContactCenterWorld.com username and password. If you happen to forget your login details, they have been provided to you in your delegates package, usually at the back of your lanyard, or you can use the tool on the screen to access them. Once you log in, you will see a page containing some of today's industry news and a daily tip. It's here that you can also hit the subscribe button to manage your subscriptions, which will allow you to get daily news and daily tips in your email. Once you have completed this, you can hit the Proceed to the App button. This will take you to the live event homepage. There are a couple of key features to point out here. 1. You can come back to this homepage at any time by clicking on the ContactCenterWorld.com logo, or by hitting the Home or Main Menu button on the right-hand side. Next to the Home button is an envelope symbol. This is your message center. Any new ContactCenterWorld.com messages can be accessed by clicking on the envelope. Next to that is a calendar symbol for the event agenda. Let's click on that together. This is important because this will take you to the most up-to-date conference information. Any changes in the conference schedule will appear here first, making the live event app one of the most important tools you will use during the conference. By clicking on the calendar, you can view the conference agenda day by day. Notice the Gala Information button. This contains the dinner menu and a dinner feedback form. Also contained within the conference agenda is bowling information. Here you can see exactly who has registered for a night of fun and networking. We strongly recommend that you come to make new friends. There is also a tab for presentation times. This will tell you how long presenters have to share their best practices for any given category. Again, any changes that may occur during the event will appear first on the conference agenda by using the calendar button. Next to the event agenda is an online profile button. By clicking here, you will be taken to your ContactCenterWorld.com personal profile. If you have any information that needs to be updated, please take the time to make sure it is current. Other members at the conference will be seeing this when they click on your profile. Further along is the Social Share button. This will allow you to post whatever you like to social media. It's here that you can post directly to the ContactCenterWorld.com website, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. We'll show you more in a few moments. Now let's click on the Home button and find out how the various tools we have created can help you during the conference. Any ContactCenterWorld.com messages that are urgent for everyone in the conference will appear in this bar at the top of the screen. Simply click on it and find out more. Below are your conference tools. Please notice the 8 conference tools we have made available to you throughout the conference. Judge/vote, Info, Network, Survey, Share, Ask, Feedback, and Notes. Let's spend a little time examining what each one means and how they can help you. Judge/vote. For those interested in being a judge during the event, we ask that you carefully read through the terms and conditions of being a judge. Please note that we take judging very seriously and have developed a highly sophisticated system to spot any errors or suspicious marks. Please respect the integrity of the awards as much as we do when voting. The next time you click on Judge/Vote, you won't see the terms and conditions, but you will be taken to a screen where you can start judging. Once judges are accepted, they will use this area to complete their voting form. We will ask whether or not you have a relationship with the presenter. If you do, your votes will automatically be disqualified from this particular category. Otherwise, please continue down the page filling out the scoring form. As a judge, you will be asked to score presenters by predetermined criteria, which changes based on the categories. Judges will be asked to rank the criteria categories from poor to excellent. Below the criteria is a comments form, and we encourage you to provide further feedback to the presenter, which will not count as part of their scoring. Please note the Submit Votes button at the bottom of the screen. To complete the judging process, this must be used in order for your votes to register with our system. Back at the home page, we will next look at the Info button. It is here that you can request further information from ContactCenterWorld.com on the various products and services we offer. Please select any tick boxes that may be of interest to you. Again, there is a Submit button located at the bottom of the screen. Next, we will look at the Network tab. It is here that you can see an entire list of people who are in attendance at this event. It's here you can see their name, job title, company, what country they are from. You can also see some of their interests outside of work. If we take a look at my profile, you can see that I'm interested in coaching ice hockey, golf, and announcing sports. We've even provided you with the opportunity to learn how to say hello in another person's language. You can also go straight to that person's online ContactCenterWorld.com profile, so you can read more about the person, the company they work for, and send them a message or chat with them directly. And we have even more great networking news to tell you about. Every one of the delegates who are in attendance at this event will be added to your ContactCenterWorld.com network list, so you can email and have live chats with your new friends long after the conference is over. Next is the Survey tab. Every once in a while during these events, we will want to hear directly from you. We have a real-time survey tool that you can use to submit your answers to various questions or polls we conduct throughout the conference. There is also the ability to vote for your favorite presenter of the day. Now let's look at the Social Share button. It's here that we've created the ability to post to ContactCenterWorld.com's live website during the conference. And you can even post to social media, which includes Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. We do ask that you use the hashtag ContactCenterWorld, @RajWadwani, and hashtag WinnersNeverQuit. These have been auto-included so you can share your experience and mention us. It's very simple to use. Simply click on the social media channel of your choice, enter your login details, and you can begin to share with the rest of your network and the world. Back at the main website, your posts will also be seen live on ContactCenterWorld.com under Members Updates. We often have spot prizes for social sharers, so please share information and share often. For example, when you listen to a presentation, share the fact you liked it, or you liked a specific tip, and submit. You may also win a prize for your social shares. Now let's look at the Ask button. The Ask button allows you to ask specific questions of individual presenters. Simply select from the drop-down menu, select the presenter you want to hear from. Type in the question, and we will pass it along after the event so that person can follow up on your answer and provide further information. Don't forget to use the Submit Question button at the bottom of the screen. Back at the home page, we will next look at the feedback form. There are two feedback forms, a service comment form and an end-of-conference feedback form. The service comment form gives us real-time feedback on any issues you may be having during the course of the event. You can let us know if it's too cold or too hot in the room, if you're having hotel room issues, anything at all that you have concerns with. Please let us know, and we can act immediately to start addressing any of your concerns, and also let you know that we're working on your behalf to ensure your conference experience is the best it can be. Once you've completed your time at our event, we would ask that you complete the end-of-conference feedback form. It's here that you can rate your overall experience. We at ContactCenterWorld.com are always striving to be better. Please take the time to fill this out and let us know what we can start, stop, and continue doing to make these events the best in the world. Please use the Submit Feedback button at the bottom of the page. Finally, we have saved the very best for last. Notes. This section is your online workbook. This is where you can make notes and write down all of the ideas and best practices you will hear throughout the event. There is a link for instructions on how to use the workbook. But quite simply, you can just click on Start a New Note, select the event you are attending, select a category, and then the presenter. Now you have the ability to write down as many notes as you want regarding that person's presentation. Given that every presenter is sharing a minimum number of best practice ideas, there's a lot of ideas you will undoubtedly be writing down. The truly great benefit to this feature is that it is all electronically stored with your ContactCenterWorld.com account. So you won't have to worry about handwriting notes and not being able to read them long after the event. They'll never get lost. These are your notes, so even if you move jobs, change companies, these notes will forever stay with your ContactCenterWorld.com account by having attended this conference. So we invite you to use this tool to your full advantage. Plus, it saves on paper, meaning it's environmentally friendly. This concludes our guided tour of the live event app. We hope you find it easy and useful and adds to your conference experience. This event app is for your benefit, and we encourage all delegates to bring along a laptop or large tablet to make use of the event app and store all of your notes electronically. We thank you for your time, and please enjoy this event hosted by ContactCenterWorld.com, the Global Association for Contact Center and Customer Engagement Best Practices.